The Croatian brand's second car was shown at Geneva. Rimac unveiled its second production car at the Geneva Motor Show, the Rimac C Two, and like the original, it's a head-turning, electric supercar that no normal person is ever likely to afford. In the looks department, Rimac C Two seems to have gone for function over form. We don't think it's as pretty as the car it replaces, with a number of fins and vents disrupting the car's smooth lines. The wheels also look like they've come off a late 2000s F1 car and are clearly designed to influence the airflow around the car and help with brake cooling too. You can compare the old concept one with the C2.